Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to use the new neon pigments from Lilly nails to create a neon smoky set of nails. So the pigments come in a set of 6 colors, the jars are all protected and sealed, and also in this video I will be using the new dust brush from Lilly nails for dusting off excess pigment. I will be showing a really simple but amazing design, which starts off with a black base on the nails. And to create the smoke effect, the only thing you will need is a white gel polish and cleanser. So you kind of just smear the white polish where you kind of want the design. It will not look so good at the beginning, but just give it a try. To get the smoke effect, we will apply a little bit of cleanser right on top of the white gel polish and just let it dry out. And if you want to, you can always go back and add more polish. Once you have done this to all of the 5 nails, you let the client cure the polish. And once that is done, it's time for the messy and fun part, to add the pigment. With the pigments, you just apply it in the order that you like, and you apply it onto the sticky layer that the white gel polish leaves. And once you are satisfied, you use your soft dust brush. Remember, it has to be soft so you don't scrape everything off, and just brush off the excess pigment. Now it's time to add some top coat. I'm using High Shine, which cures tackless. And remember, you can layer up High Shine, but because it is a tackless top coat, you need to cure the first layer for just about 10 seconds. So it's still tacky, and in that way it will bond better with the second layer. And we are done. A super fun, yes, kind of messy, but amazing design. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon again.